The golden-mantled ground squirrel is a small chipmunk-like squirrel with grayish-brown fur on top with two white stripes bordered by black stripes on the sides. It has a lighter underside, and the tail is brown to black with buff edges and a yellowish to reddish underside. It has pale rings around the eyes. The mantle across the shoulders is reddish, with males having a deeper reddish tinge. This species is distinguished from similar ground squirrels by a black bordered white stripe down each side of the back. They are easily confused for a chipmunk, which have stripes on their face. Golden-mantled ground squirrels may also be about twice as large as chipmunks. The golden-mantled ground squirrel can be found from southeastern British Columbia and Canada south to New Mexico and southern California in coniferous and mixed coniferous hardwood forests. It is common in mountain areas up to the timberline and can be found in places with rocky meadows and in sagebrush areas. The golden-mantled squirrel is omnivorous, feeding on seeds, nuts, and fruits. A large part of his diet is made up of piñon nuts. It also eats green plants, some insects and underground fungi, and human food when available. The squirrel has also been known to beg for human food along trails and at parks where people gather. They typically cache food near their burrows, especially during late summer and fall. In the fall, the golden-mantled squirrel puts on a layer of fat and hibernates from October to May. It has cheek pouches like a chipmunk that it uses to carry food. It takes food to its den and stores it to eat in the spring when it wakes up. It makes its den near or under a tree or log, and the den is usually not very deep, but it can stretch as long as 100 feet. Golden-mantled ground squirrels mate in spring when the squirrels come out of hibernation. The males emerge first and will compete with each other to establish a territory. Females come out of hibernation 2 to 3 weeks later. The female builds a nest of leaves, grass, and bark in an underground burrow. A month after mating, she'll have a litter of between 4 to 6 babies. Only the female cares for the baby squirrels. They will wean when they're about a month old. The golden-mantled squirrel cleans itself by rolling in the dirt and combing its fur with its teeth and claws. Most adults are independent, rarely cooperating, and usually competing for resources. They may assemble at sites with abundant food, but develop a group hierarchy. They become vocal when threatened and make squeaking noises or growling. However, it's not a very vocal species. Predators of this squirrel include snakes, coyotes, foxes, weasels, and bears.